Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to edit your PDF in Lumin PDF. So if you want to edit PDF, go to Google, search for Lumin PDF. This is the keyword as you can see here, and then click edit a PDF. This section you can upload your PDF here. You can edit your PDF. Just select edit your PDF and upload from your device, and then select your any PDF you want to edit. For example, this one. Click your PDF and just wait to upload your PDF on this section, and then you will see your all PDF here. Friends, as you can see here, this is my PDF. I want to zoom this one, and then you can start editing your PDF. You have edit PDF section, you have file and second, you have page tools. So guys, from here you can edit your PDF as I say, and then scroll down. You can also, this is for that you can delete this part. For example, if you want to delete this part, I want to delete, just click this one, and you can start also add underline. You can just add underline. You can color this one if you want to color this one. Actually, you have a lot of, you can add a type of text. For example, you want to add text from here, select this one, and you can start writing anything here. You can have a page tools. You have a lot of things, guys. You have text highlight. You can highlight this text by click this one and go to page tools, and you can start highlighting your text. So you can delete your page from here also. So friends, I have this guide helpful for you. See you on another video soon.